This is a 90-90 activation for the hips, and it's going to help with internal rotation. So what you'll do is you'll get into a 90-90 position, which consists of this being 90 degrees, this being 90 degrees here, and then this being 90 degrees here. I guess it should be called 90-90-90 position. But then you're just going to hang out here, and you're going to go ahead and push up with this hand until you feel a stretch right back in here. Kind of keep your stomach a little bit taut. Don't let it go bleh. So just kind of hang out here for 2 minutes. At the end of 2 minutes, what you're going to do then is we're going to do external rotation and internal rotation in an isometric way. External rotation first. You're going to go ahead and take your ankle of this back leg, the leg that's in back. I want you to press the ankle into the floor and press it with an intensity of, say, 50% of what you can do for the first 10 seconds. Hold that for 10 seconds. Continue pressing, increase the intensity to 75%, another 10 seconds, and then increase it to 100%. Really press that knee, that ankle into the floor, and for 10 more seconds. So that's a total of 30 seconds. You can relax. And then I want you to do what's called internal rotation, which you're going to try and lift this ankle up off the ground. I can't do it, and you probably won't be able to do it either if you're having problems with your hips. But you're going to try and lift this ankle up off the ground. And again, it won't move, but just try and lift it up with an intensity of 50%. Hold that for 10 seconds. And then increase it to 75%. And then 100%. So that's 10 seconds each one. That's 30-second hold. And then relax. And then you can repeat that internal, external rotation isometrically for the number of repetitions that's required.